Somalia hanolato. Rigo si.
Sorry, bro.
Somalia hanolato. maanta oo kooda Luulyo waxaa imaaday beerta ugu weyn Malaysia waxaan la dhaxmar doonaa calankan qof kasta oo beertan joogo waxaan bari doonaa calankeena dhaqankeena iyo luqadeena waxaan la sheegaran doonaa luqadeena iyo dhaqankeena quruxdiisa badan waxaan ka codsan doonaa inuu ila dabaaldego maanta maalin zaid ugu duwan waay maalimaha kale hadaan aan Somali qof kasta comment-ka ku soo qoro Somalia hanolato. Let's go guys, muuqaalkan subscribe hala saaro. Say Somalia hanolato.
Hanolato.
Yeah, which means long life to Somalia.
Long life to Somalia. Oh, okay.
Let's say again. Somalia hanolato. Somalia hanolato. Somalia hanolato.
Somalia
hanolato. Muuqaalkan subscribe saara. waxaan inta ku wadaa gacantan Diraac oo dharka Soomaalida dhaqanka gabdhaha ay xirtaan intana Macawis gabadha arko waxaan u xiri doonaa Diraacan wiilashana Macawistan way ila dabaaldigi doonaan ajaanibta waxaan la sheegaran doonaa dhaqankeyga Soomaaliyeed beertan saan u weyn qof kasto ku dhex jiro maanta wuxuu noqon doonaa Somali kulli waxaan ka dhigi doonaa Somali. Today is the Somali Independence Day. Oh yeah. So say it again.
Happy Independence Day, Somalia.
Thank you man. Kulli waan u dhidhiibi doonaa. Okay, have this one and you will wear this. No, this was for girls. dadkan way xirtaan Macawistan camal ayadoo different material
Thank you, thank you.
How is it feel?
I feel more comfortable.
qof kasta wuxuu dhahayaa waxa ku dareemayaa comfortable.
My name is Abdi.
Yeah. Somalians.
Huh? Somali, right?
Yes.
Say Somalia hanolato. Somalia
Somalia
hanolato.
hanolato. Okay, now I'm wearing this. I feel like I become more confident and I am a proud Somali.
Yeah. My Somali brother. You're my blood brother.
Yeah.
Blood brother. Okay. Yeah, we both. Yeah, Somalia hanolato.
I know the capital of Somalia.
What is it?
Mogadishu, right?
Yeah. We call it danto.
Danto.
Yeah, this is how it moves. Sorry, Gligo, CD. Try.
Okay.
Give me this. Okay, let's go. Hands like this. Yes. This is how we dance. Sorry, Gligo, CD. How is it?
No, it's easy.
It's easy.
Yes.
Somalia hanolato.
Somali hanolato.
Say it again.
Somali hanolato. Long live Somali.
Yeah. So comment wax kusoo qortaa Somalia hanolato. So gabdhahan Malaysian way.
Oh,
They put this. You wanna try it? Okay, cool. Just try it. How is it?
it feel good and
Comfortable.
yes,
Okay.
very cool.
Say Somalia hanolato. Somalia
Somalia
hanolato.
Hanolato.
Yeah.
Hanolato. Okay.
Hanolato.
Somalia Hanolato.
Yeah. Somalia hanolato. Sorry, Grigo.
Sorry, bro.
So this is how done.
Oh,
Okay. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Somalia hanolato.
Yeah. Somalia.
Hanolato.
Yeah. Somalia.
Hanolato.
wixii hardhan waxay dhigi doonaan Somalia hanolato. Let's go.
We are from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Same.
Same.
Yeah. What does it call?
Macawis.
Macawis.
Yeah.
Like it's a little lungi.
Try it. Does water? No water.
No.
Yeah, can.
Microphone umagaas godka ku dhacay. It's fine. No worries.
No way.
Microphone kidna naga baxay. So how is it?
It was pretty good. Yeah. We have some same like clothes in our country.
You also have this?
Yeah, it's called lungi.
Lungi.
Yeah.
We call it Macawis.
Alright.
Wuxuu
It's
dhahay
crazy.
wadankeena waa isticmaalaa kan mid u eg.
Somali hanolato. Hanolato. Yeah.
Say it again.
Happy Independence Day, Somalia.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, nice to meet you too, man. But sorry for the.
It's fine.
Oh, wait, it's not fine.
It's fine, no worries. waxaan ka murugsanahay mikrofoonkii aan waayay laakiin waxaa muhiimadda ah in aad muuqaalkan subscribe saartid. This is how it looks.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you, man. So xariifkan wuxuu dhahay inaan tijaabiyo rabo. I also have to what girls wear too. So this is Diraac, we call it Diraac. It's for girls. And this is Macawis.
Macawis.
Yeah.
For men.
Yeah, for men. This is what we wear.
All right. It's comfortable, right?
It's comfortable. I heard I'm comfortable while he already knows, yeah.
Beautiful, yes.
waxuu dhahay Diraac markay xiratay way qurxanta u dhahay.
So soft.
So soft.
Where came from?
Huh?
Oh, from there.
Yeah, all from there.
Oh.
From Somalia.
So you really saw it.
Yeah, when they're home they wear this.
Designs.
Okay.
Looks amazing.
And too comfortable.
Yes.
You're not Malaysian anymore. Now you're Somali. Slowly, we go see him. This is how we do. Is it hard? Try it,
No, it's
try
easy.
it. It's easy. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay, I know.
Now I will give you a Somali name. Abdi.
Abdi.
Your name is Abdi today.
Abdi, okay.
And you are Fatih.
Fatih.
Okay.
Abdi and
Abdi
Fatih.
and Fatih.
Yeah.
Beautiful couples.
Thank you.
Okay. And try the dance. Let's try. Soligli go CD. Somalia.
Somalia.
Hanolato.
Hanolato.
Somalian,
Hanolato.
Hanolato. Okay.
Somalian,
Hanolato.
Yeah, Somalia.
Hanolato.
Let's go, guys. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay,
Alright,
thank you very
you.
much.
Alright. Yes, I see my people. Dadkayga u jeedaa. Where you from?
I'm from Ghana.
How is it? Too comfortable, right?
It's okay. Yeah, it looks nice on me, right?
Yeah, actually it's nice. It's comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable when you wear it. And what about the top? This one that
You want to put this?
yeah.
This is our flag.
Okay, this is the flag.
Yeah.
So I have to put it on me, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Calankan
Sure.
aan gelinaya. Okay, now in
Yeah.
Somali.
Yeah. Now
I will call you Abdi. Your new name is Abdi.
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 Okay. Yeah. Actually, I was called Port, and now I've gotten a new name. This is
Yeah.
Abdi. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hey, Somali Hanolato.
Somali. How do you like it?
Hanolato.
How do you like it?
Hanolato.
How do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
Let's go.
Yeah, I
This-
made.
I will teach you one Somali dance move.
Okay. Oh.
So
Huh?
sound like this.
Hmm?
Yeah. أنا وكسين بقول. أي. Yeah.
I think looking at the dress alone, I feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
You want to visit Somalia one day?
sure, that is my plans. And
Yeah. alright.
Okay,
Okay.
nice
one
to
last-
meet you. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Somalia Hanolato.
Somali, alhamdulillah.
Hanolato.
Alhamdulillah.
Ha
Huh?
no
No?
lato.
Lato.
Yeah, let's go, man. Okay.
Somalia Hanolato.
You?
Somalia Hanolato.
Somalia Hanolato. Somalia Hanolato. Somalia Hanolato. Waxa uu imaaday lamaano kale. So ayakan waxa u xiri doonaa dharkan.
It's called
You-
Sampin.
What do you say?
Sampin. It's called
You guys
Sampin.
have this
Yeah, we have this also. Something like this.
similar. Okay, guys, waxay dhaheen kan camal waa haysanaa anika. You look nice on it. How are you feeling with it?
It's my first time trying something like this.
How is it?
It's really, it feels comfortable. Yes.
Qof kasta xirto wuxuu dhahayaa comfortable waay.
Comfortable, like the air can go inside. It feels very.
You feeling
good.
Somali?
Yeah, I'm feeling Somali.
This is our flag, guys.
Okay.
So you can hold it. Say Somalia Hanolato.
Sorry. What?
Somalia
Somalia?
Hanolato.
Hanolato.
Somalia Hanolato.
Yeah, which means long live to Somalia.
Okay, alright.
Hadda dhaantaa baraya, guys, yeah. Anaa aqaanin. Okay. Baraya. So this is how we do. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, go see. This is how we do.
Yeah, very easy.
Yeah. Fudeed waa yaal dhahay. Marka thank you guys, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Somalia Hanolato. Somalia Hanolato. Somalia Hanolato. Somalia Hanolato. Muuqaalkan subscribe saar, videogan comment soo qora. Sida wixii la soo maray diriqwa adoogii sanadna sixirkii madowaay caalamkaba ha saamayso Soomaaliya